Hi friends, let me show you this dry erase whiteboard that I received for reviewing purposes. As you can see, it comes really neatly packed. Okay, you can see this reinforcement in the corners, so it won't suffer any damage in logistics. Okay, look at this, it's really nicely sized. You get also two markers, a gray one and a blue one, even with some magnet here, so you can put them in the whiteboard, okay? And you get some accessories to install it, okay? You can hang it from anywhere where you want to use it. You can just lay it back in any place that you want to work with it, or of course you can hang it from the wall, okay? It is really useful to have one of these because you can write down any kind of message for your work, for you to remember something, for a meeting, for anything that you want to remember or to display in a whiteboard, okay? Like Amazon videos, review, or whatever you want. As you can see, it's really nice, and each marker have an eraser in itself. So if you for any reason make a mistake, you can erase it like this. Okay? Okay, this is a black one, not a gray, it's a black one, okay? So I think this whiteboard, it's great. You can use it in your office, you can use it in home, you can use it if you're a coach with your team to tell them what to do, like, you know, like in a game, or you can, well, just hang it in the wall in your kitchen, for example, to write down your grocery list, okay? So I think it's a really nice whiteboard, really useful, nicely sized, and really recommended. Thank you.